Tripura mothani no katal shikla motha asaikya mothani mung pharjaka Youth Tripura Federation bathang bubagra koktun buskang phaye shaklai rakha katal motha asaimani mothano kra khanyane bagai financial hangkor bakhakse block level thangai samung tangnai khorok bachi nidolsa adongrano tui shikla motha khajaka mothani kasku ongkha Ronel de Burma krak shalo koktuni buskango phaye atisha motha sabai Tripura motha hapakya o salono katal shikla motha khajangmono tui bubagra koktuni buskang tatak sidak ngai shaklai rakha mothani naharmung tongnai Greater Tripura Land tei shaknai rungsing hamkrani bagai bo samung tangnai hne shaka financial Greater Tripura Land ni samungo hase marui chobani khorang tisajang Shikla rono tebo shoi titi khanyane bagai mothano tebo khakra khanyane nanghne shaga bubagra.
With us and our youth leaders, we are happy to announce that from today onwards, we will have a youth frontal organization under the banner Youth Tripura Federation, YTF. This youth front will be not only in Agartala, but will be in every district of Tripura, will be in every block, village of Tripura. This is a youth organization. This will also be not only restricted to the state of Tripura, but will also have its units anywhere in India where there are Triprasas living. And this Youth Tripura Federation, YTF, according to me, will be the backbone of all our movements, be it of Greater Tripura Land, be it of NRC, be it of Citizenship Amendment Act. It will also be the backbone for our next generation. So I am giving this organization my full commitment, my full support, and I believe that it is only with the youth that our future generation can be secure. At one time, there was a young man who took it upon himself to ensure that every Triprasa got education. That young man was jailed several times. He never gave up. And today, he is sitting right next to me. He started his movement by trying to educate the Triprasas. There was a time when there was this boy from Shillong who got inspired by the Triprasas who were studying there and started helping them. And today is the chairman of Tripura. You are standing in front of him. I believe that if you want to be successful, the motivation, the ideology has to happen when we are young. Our ideology is not to hate anyone. Our ideology is not to discriminate any community. Our ideology is not to be against any religion. Our ideology is for Greater Tripura Land. And I believe that till the time we do not compromise on it, we will be successful. The day we dilute it for personal positions, we will no longer be acceptable to our people or to even ourselves. I am very happy to announce that the first president of YTF will be the MDC, Ronel de Burma, and the working president is also here, Pitor Tayung. He will also be there along with the central executive body, along with general secretaries, along with all those who have remained loyal to us and all those who believe in our ideology. Many people may say that they may have been against us. How are you accepting them today? Let me tell this to all my supporters. Let me tell this to all my critics. Somebody may have criticized me. Pitor may have said something against me in social media, but at that time he was a party member of another organization and they were told to take a party position against me. But being a Bubagra, it is in my mentality, it is in my psychology to forget and forgive. And the ideology is bigger than even my own survival. So, it is very important for me to not only give people who have been close to me some chance, but to everyone. We have to give everyone opportunity.
Hubun fasing atisha motha sabai tipra motha wo phainai Peter Debor Mashaka atisha thangna shallogo abepti bai tongai khaka masak samutang se malia atisha ni kasko Peter Dayang Debor Mashaka phainai shalo tipra motha bai gedale samutang nai tabune tong halok nahare tong kosong lokurni juda juda chuba chuni samugo yagrnai khani Mashaka
tini sing atisha je motha wo tong mane student organization IPF tini kaisa allied organization banner tolao tongmani sing tini hai salo sing sabai rekha sinoro buskango joto central committee member tong working president SGS dai committee central committee thanayo sing committee hoite sing kaise meeting klaika sini student organization hoite central committee meeting ai executive committee was sing decision laika joto entire 21 divisions Dai central committee joto existence tongnai ro arono sidanto na laika sing buskang ni movement tai Tipralen no bahke tublani ba greater Tipralen no bahke acquire khainani abuno toine sing alosona khlaimani bisingo sing abuno nukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingtei sing abo sobo mona tongo abuni bagainai sing tini ni simi sing atisana resolve kainai sebagai sing Ketan motha bati pramotha sing join sinai tai kebang motha rongno ba angko pobungna musungo cikon tongne rongno sing under bobagrani bising tike sing thansani bising tike maidomo sing agiro sing saimalia baksa borok bujilia umi tongmano aborongno taisa wansugine sing greater thansani bagai greater interest di prasani bagai joton abo goi phake sao abuno ani musungmo tabo abo simia thini thinang ni thini bobishot no sumnasi thangkang kai sung kunu jaga tipano sung poton hojangna ni motok krei sini boba grano kare boba granka kaisa hani boba gra kaisa thinang ni bagane sini tiprasa ni bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khlai kyang kase musa kaisa sung mane abuno sung bisas khainai sung atisaro angu kai tene o salo sung IPF de tipra mothani thani sung join khai paike
o shalni kothomni kuthum mungo shikla mothani bising kaisa khasrang matong thongma nukjakha mubagra dofana thansa khalini bagai yapri krak shemani kholawo angkhormani tabo bono thare bono hamya saya sanarano dofani hamkai no motom jagai bubagani yapri mariwo truk phaitongmani nukjagai tongkha dofana thansa khalini bagai greater tripura leni bagai kurungsha kuthumsa ungna nango tebo hune shalai tongkha dofani nungna sinai lukuro